What if I tell you that anime quotes or phrases actually mirror the things that you need to hear and listen to? And this phrase, called Go Beyon Plus Ultra from My Hero Academia, wants to ignite something within you. I'll share what it means and how to actually adapt this phrase into your life, whatever circumstances you are in. You see, All Might, the hero, the symbol of peace, live long enough to ward away villains. He is the exact representation of hope, heroism, and perseverance as he holds the weight to keep and protect humanity with a smile. Numerous times, the weight of being a hero must be kept high, and it will always take a lot knowing that he is a human being too. He encountered hardships as he is also a quirkless, but he got chosen to wield a quirk, lost important loved ones, and holds the responsibility to become a hero that brings peace to its people. Now, the thing is, throughout his background, what drives him, and how did he push through that? But more importantly, what does it really tell us? So, imagine this. As you live your life, you've gone through everything, or some. You'll actually experience many difficult things. Some makes you want to give up. Some makes you want to question yourself. Doubts, fears, you named it. We have goals or ambitions that we want to achieve, but the world doesn't want to give that easily. It actually wants to pay you the price of enduring difficult things or even sacrificing something just to achieve it. Now, let's go to his direct descendant, Izuku Midoriya. Like All Might, Midoriya wants to be a hero, but he is quirkless. But through a random encounter, he was given a chance to be a hero by passing the quirk to him, like how he got it. Question: why would All Might give Midoriya a power that cannot handle that much drawback? Here's the reality. If you want to really achieve your dream or goal, and there's an opportunity that comes right at you, would you think of letting it go just because of drawbacks? Some of you might say yes, and some say no. But the thing here is your willingness to become what you want and whatever it takes to be. So Midoriya's character is so pure, and he actually sees Midoriya in himself that wants to become a hero.
So I'll keep on trying until I've got what it takes to do that! I want people to see my fearless smile and feel safe, and be just like you!
Gotta hand it to the kid. He's given a lot of thought to the future.
Now, he got a quirk, but he still needed to train and completely control the power he had in order to become a hero. His dream because of All Might. For this moment, he has to pay the price again by going through hardship. You see, difficulties in life are like proof of your worthiness to achieve something you wanted. If you fail, it doesn't mean it's not for you. Maybe you need to work or see it in a very different way possible and work on it. Time skip. Now that Midoriya got a hang of his power, he is slowly achieving his goal. But is it really just there? Like, is that how far his goal goes? Of course not. Becoming a hero is a singular thing that he wanted to achieve. But what lies beyond that is to achieve far more greater things in our life. Let's look at it this way. Say you want to be rich, and you got rich. Do you think it ends there? We are not fixed to a singular goal. It can actually go beyond that, fulfilling something far greater on what we have already achieved. Next, since Midoriya and All Might share the same role, goal, and power, what does Go Beyon Plus Ultra really mean? They are both characters that will always represent pushing beyond themselves. Imagine from quirkless to becoming humanity's hope. that was something far beyond the goal of just becoming a hero. Another thing is, this phrase represents your capabilities as someone who felt hopeless, lost in direction in life, or going through something hard at the moment. It encourages the necessity to exceed who you are right now and become a better person beyond your goals. Finally, it ignites that desire within you to become great, the ray of hope to actually achieve something that you wouldn't have thought you would achieve. You may lose something along the way, but every detail of those has a reason. And the thing is, whatever you do in your life, you might have heard these words before, but Go Beyon Plus Ultra. An upcoming character from the same anime facing his own enemy, the atonement for his blindness in pursuit of strength, Endeavor. Stay tuned to find out.